Assalamualaikum students, class 10. This is chapter number 1 exercise. Today we will do the chapter number 1 exercise, and you all of know in your exercise there are MCQs, there are short questions, and there are understanding the concept. So first we will start the MCQs. Question number 1: the process of gaseous exchange involves. Four options are given. Okay, how gaseous exchange happens in the body. Breakdown. First is breakdown of CH bonds of yield energy. Second is physical movements that taken air in and out of body. And third one is getting oxygen from the air and removing carbon dioxide. And D, transport of oxygen by the blood to different parts of the body. So question number 1, option C is correct. Noted. Question number 1, option C is correct. Number 2, most of the gases exchange in a leaf occurs through. We also study in our chapter again and again. The options are given: stomata, general surface, cuticle, and lenticule. So the correct answer is stomata. Question number 2, option A is correct. Then number 3. How many bronchi are there in the air passageway? 1, 2, many, none. So these are 2. Option B is correct. Question number 3, option B is correct. Number 4, where does the gaseous exchange occur in humans? We have studied it is happened in the alveoli. So the options are pharynx, trachea, bronchi, and alveoli. So question number 4, D is correct. D is correct. Number 5, which structure actively helps in taking the air out of lungs? Okay, which structure in our body help to taken out air from the body? So options are nasal cavity, bronchus, bronchiole, and diaphragm. So the correct option for number 5 is D, diaphragm. Number 6, the primary chemical stimulus for breathing is the concentration of. Option A, carbon dioxide in blood. Number 2, oxygen in blood. Number 3, carbon dioxide in muscles. So oxygen. Number 4, oxygen in muscle. So the correct answer is number 1, option A, carbon dioxide in blood. So question number 6, option A is correct. Then number 7, point out the false statement about respiration. 4 options are given. In which option C is correct? In emphysema, the walls of alveoli break and there is more surface area. Question number 7, option C is correct. Number 8, a disease involving the breakdown of air sacs of the lung is. So air sacs means alveoli. Breakdown of air sacs. So answer options are pneumonia, bronchitis, asthma, and emphysema. So the option D is correct. Question number 8, option D is correct. Number 9, which process does not occur in the nasal cavity? Option A, option B, option C, option D. The option D is correct, exchange of gases. Number 9, option D is correct. Number 10, what type of blood vessels surround the alveoli? Definitely these are tiny blood vessels and they are called capillaries. So option A, artery. Number B, arteriole. C is capillary, and D is vein. So option C is correct for question number 10. Now come to short questions. Differentiate between breathing and cellular respiration. You also have studied in your chapter that breathing is that in which your lungs are involved, in which you taken in oxygen and taken out carbon dioxide from your body. And cellular respiration is happen in your ATP molecule. Your cells get the energy. This is broken down into CH bonds, and when the CH bonds are broken, and then cellular respiration is happen. So you can find its answer on page number 2. Then question number 2, trace the path of air from the nasal cavity to the alveoli. We have studied in our respiratory system that first air enters into our nostril. Through nostril it goes into your nasal cavity. From nasal cavity it enters into your pharynx. From pharynx to larynx, from larynx to goes into your trachea, from trachea it goes into your bronchi, bronchi to bronchioles, bronchioles to your alveoli. So you have to write its passage like this for question number 2. From nose, then nasal cavity, then nasal cavity, then pharynx, then larynx, then trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, and then alveoli. So this is the answer of question number 2. Then question number 3, short question. How will you differentiate between a stoma and a lenticule? So in gaseous exchange in plants, we have studied that plants do gaseous exchange through stomata present on their leaves and lenticule. The plants which have woody stems and mature stems, they have special pores on their bark which are responsible for gaseous exchange in and out. You can find this answer on page number 3. Question number 3, you can find the short question answer from your page number 3. Then come to your long question, understanding the concept. Question number 1, how do the different parts of the plant body exchange gases with the environment? You can find answer on page number 2. Then question number 2, write down the steps of inhalation and exhalation. Then I have explained you inhalation, exhalation. I have told you the steps. If we talk about inhalation, to first one, your ribs are contract, your chest is bigger, your diaphragm is contract. So it has some steps. So like that, exhalation, it has opposite steps. So you have to write the answer in the steps, and you can find its answer on page number 7 in your book. Question number 3, long question. State the sign and symptoms, causes and treatments of bronchitis, emphysema and pneumonia. Students, I have explained you in the lecture what are the causes of bronchitis, how is it formed, which part of your body is infected, and how can we do the treatment. I also have sent you its explanation in written form in your homework. You can also follow your homework. So this answer you can find on page number 11 and 12. Page number 11 and 12 of your book. Question number 4, how does the tobacco smoke damage the respiratory system? So these are the bad effects of smoking, and you can find answer on page number 14. And also I have said these points in your homework in written form. And the last one is the terms to know: alveolar duct, alveolus, asthma, breathing, bronchioles, bronchitis, diaphragm, emphysema, exhalation, gaseous exchange, inhalation, larynx. So these terms, these all definitions I have given you in the form of short questions in your homework. I hope you will study your chapter again, you will read your chapter again, you will understand it, lectures will help you, and you will also do your exercise in your book, and you also learn this question. I hope you understand the chapter number 1. Thank you so much.